Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of stocks and Sigma investments. In today's video, we're diving into the thrilling world of AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, AMC, and its share price. Let's get started. As of latest market close, AMC Entertainment stock is trading at $7.18 per share. AMC, a household name in the entertainment industry, has captured the attention of both Wall Street and Main Street investors. Today, we'll analyze its share price, recent performance, and potential future outlook. Before we dive into the stock analysis, let's quickly recap what AMC Entertainment is all about. AMC is a leading movie theater chain with a significant presence worldwide. Let's kick things off with a technical analysis of AMC's share price. Over the past year, AMC has seen incredible volatility. We'll delve into key technical indicators to uncover insights into its trajectory. Chart patterns can provide valuable insights. AMC stock recently formed a cup and handle pattern, indicating a potential bullish continuation. But remember, patterns should be confirmed with other indicators. Identifying resistance and support levels is crucial. AMC's current resistance is at $X, while the support level is at $Y. These levels can help you make informed entry and exit decisions. Moving averages offer additional guidance. The 50-day and 200-day moving averages reflect short-term and long-term trends. Pay attention to crossovers, as a golden cross can signal a bullish trend. Now, let's discuss potential future targets for AMC. Analysts have been closely monitoring this stock. Based on current trends and market sentiment, the short-term target is estimated at $9, while the long-term target could reach $14. Keep in mind that these are projections, not guarantees. Risk management is key in trading. Given AMC's volatility, consider implementing a stop-loss strategy. Setting a stop-loss at 5% below your entry point can protect your investment from the significant losses in case of unexpected downturns. Keep an eye on market sentiment and news related to AMC. Retail investors have played a significant role in its price movement. Social media and online forums can provide valuable insights into sentiment shifts. To wrap things up, AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, AMC, is undeniably one of the most talked about stocks right now. While it has experienced wild price swings and chart patterns, remember that the stock market is dynamic and influenced by various factors. That concludes our comprehensive analysis